A police squad car camera captured the moment a tornado tore through a street in Wisconsin. The footage, released by the Fox Crossing Police Department, shows heavy winds and rain lashing trees and power lines along Airport Road in Menasha. Police said Officer Scott Balin had pulled into the parking lot of a local elementary school as the severe weather moved in. He turned on his squad car camera, and moments later, it recorded what was reported as an EF3 tornado ripping through the area. The video shows just how quickly dangerous weather can escalate, with visibility dropping and debris moving through the streets as the storm passes. The tornado was recorded on July 27th, and the department released the footage on August 4th.